Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Welcome back, everyone. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and if you want to know about tomorrow's forecast, you really only have to look at our alerts page, kind of lit up like a Christmas tree, so we'll kind of break it all down. Big changes in the weather. We have a winter storm warning in effect for northeastern Montana. That goes into effect in just a couple of hours and goes through Monday evening. Then, recently issued by the Weather Service was a winter weather advisory for northwestern North Dakota here. This goes into effect at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning through 6 a.m. Heavy ice and snow across northeastern Montana. Lighter ice and snow accumulations across northwestern North Dakota. And then as we move it closer to our area, we have a dense fog advisory basically north of Highway 200 until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Would not be surprised if this expanded. And then everybody is under a wind advisory tomorrow as a very powerful storm system is going to make its way toward our area. Wind gusts around 50 miles an hour here. Temperatures kind of all over the board at this hour. 30 degrees in Crosby, but 53 in Mobridge. We have a warm front. You can see southeasterly winds here just about up to Bismarck, but northeasterly winds further to the north. That's why it's slightly cooler. That warm front will be lifting through here in the overnight hours. Many of us will see rising temperatures, which you'll see here in a second. Here's a look at those winds. They're really not too bad right now, but they will be increasing in speed here. I'll put precision cast into motion. You'll notice our system developing back across southwestern sections of Montana. Here's that warm front lifting through the area as we go through the overnight hours. Very important here. Notice the development of a lot of this pink shaded. That is mixed precipitation, mostly freezing rain with this system. And we are going to have a prolonged period of freezing rain in the warning and advisory areas here. You really can see that filling in here. This is around lunchtime tomorrow as the center of the system gets closer, getting quite windy in central and western sections of North Dakota here. An all-out blizzard back across central Montana. If you have travel plans that involve the Highway 2 corridor toward Glasgow, forget about it tomorrow. 2 to 3 feet of snow is possible. But again, this prolonged icing event, then colder air will wrap around, turning everything over to snow. Rain showers will develop along the cold front that passes through. I don't think it's going to be an all-day event. More scattered showers and maybe even a thunderstorm as the energy from this front rolls through. So definitely have the umbrella handy. In terms of snowfall, not much in our area, but as you get further to the northwest, those numbers jump up dramatically. And then we talk about the icing. You can see here at least a glaze of ice up here. And this could get into the Magic City as well. Heavier amounts of ice, especially across Divide County. Some treacherous travel possible for tomorrow. In terms of the hazards associated with that storm, some heavy rain possible all the way to thunderstorms and heavy snow. A busy weather day tomorrow. Lows tonight, they will be warming as we go through the evening as that cold front marches from, or that warm front marches from south to north. A rainy day in Dickinson tomorrow, and then we dry out and cool off in a big way over the next couple of days. Same thing in Williston, an icy day tomorrow and snowfall possible, and then clearing out by the time we get to Tuesday. Quickly, here's a look at your extended forecast. A rough day tomorrow, most likely, and then sunshine for the rest of the week. And temperatures actually closer to where we should be for this time of the year. Rain and a little freezing rain in Minot tomorrow morning, Renee. But I think the rest of the week looks good. Even a nice day for your Veterans Day.
Seems like we've been above or below average, so that'll be the next change. Thanks, Robert. Coming up next in sports, the bracket is set for the Dakota Bowl. Find out who punched their ticket to the Fargo Dome.